Amen. Say amen. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. You gotta move a little fast. Pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, boss lady. Balut, balut, balut. Okay, boss lady, whatever you say, I'm just following you.
So we need to stay here at least.
What do you say?
Why did you stay here?
It's been long.
Koto. I like that. Okay, nigga, dame la.
So one of the delicacy Filipino street food is balut. So this balut is known as duck or the embryo one actually. So did you heard already this one, the embryo lang?
You said that's bad.
Huh?
What did you say? That's bad? That's good? What did you say?
It's good. It's good. This is one good for the knee. Actually, we should eat this one. So from this one, how to start this cracking. So what you have, you crack first. So this one, look at this one also. So did you see that? It's a white thingy, this one. So this is the best part where you can crack the egg. So you crack, peel, and sack it first. So of course, the variety of this balut, you have the, where's the salt? The salt, and of course, if you like the sour, spices and sour actually. So you can put dip in also. So welcome and mabuhay from here. So let's try you guys one by one.
Go ahead, guys.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that either.
What? You should try. No?
An egg.
Oh!
And Gatorade. That look like Gatorade.
It's not Gatorade. It's a vinegar. You try. No?
Alright, is that trash?
Oh, so you can have like that.
Is that trash?
Yes, the trash.
Alright, so come on.
You have to try.
No, tell me, you do it, and I'll eat it.
Okay. So we do this, crack, peel. So look at this. They have a soup inside. Come on, guys. Soup.
That's a soup.
Yeah, so right now.
What the fuck? The salt.
Yeah, soup. Just a little
Why
bit.
it don't look done?
Okay, now you taste. Just taste only. That's it.
Alright.
So soup. How is it?
It tastes like boiled egg water.
Yeah, it is stays boiled egg only.
Alright. Alright, what I need to do next?
Now peel it. Peeled everything. So you have still more soup. Suck it all. Suck all the soup.
Look at the soup. Why is brown?
Oh! See? You eat already the duck.
Alright, now what I do now?
So peel it more.
Okay.
Yan.
I'm black. I got high blood pressure. I need this shit.
Okay, now you just get your vinegar. You like spices?
Yeah. Come on.
Okay, so now suck it up.
Right, more.
More?
Yeah, more the spice.
Okay, wait more. One more. So that is called balut. See, you just done already. How is it?
Yeah.
That one is good. It's not. It's fine. You wanna try?
No.
How is it? What did you think?
Well, it just tastes like a boiled egg, a little salt, and the spice was better.
The spice better, right? So this one is one of the delicacy here in
So
the
how much
Philippines.
is that?
It's at 25 pesos only. It's okay. So ate, ito na. So let's go guys here.
The country one.
It's American. Let's go, Asisi. What? Dito. We're gonna cross the street. So we go to the other side of locations. Okay, let's go cross. It's your first time you're doing the tour here in the Philippines? Your first time? Nice. What else you want to do here? What else you want to do here in Manila? You just wanted to see. You been Philippines? No, you should go. So already the BGC?
Yes,
How is it so far?
I like it.
So it's Boo is never been there. Boo, he just went already in the BGC.
Oh, I like the beef. Is that what you said, bro?
No, I'm not saying that, but I just want to say it.
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Where you been? Where you been in BGC? Where have you been in BGC yet?
There's a mall, the tennis mall.
The?
Yeah, just walk around the area.
Oh, just it's
The
very
bar
big.
or-
Oh, it's so big actually. It's over there. So let's go get your kwek kwek. It's one of the popular also here in the Philippines. The street food. Where's the car?
Told you, when you walk a little man, get on the right.
We're gonna get the Filipino food then.
Alright. Yeah, I just want to get a skewer or something.
Huh?
I thought that was going to be fun. Like,
I know.
but who cares? You got paid.
Of course, that's right.
Yeah, who cares?
Where he is right now. Where I can see.
Ran away from your ass.
Yeah, many as far as can.
This is why you should always have a friend or something with you.
Huh?
I said sometimes you gotta have a friend or something.
That's why in all my descriptions, I told them that I'm not your date. I'm your
Yeah, tour guide.
tour guide.
But some people don't listen, like he didn't listen.
Let's go over here. We just crossed. It's run away. Yay! You're
I saved you.
VIP.
I saved you.
No, don't worry.
I saved you. I saved you. Oh shit.
Let's go here. Hope they still have food.
I saved you.
Crazy, no?
Go ahead.
Hello guys, so right now we take the kwek kwek or known tusok-tusok in the Philippines. So this is known as egg quail. It's a boiled one. Of course, the finished product you have to deep frying again. So one of the popular here is known the egg quail or known as kwek kwek.
Quick.
Yeah, it's a quail egg. It's boiled and then coated for the flour. The finished product is to deep frying because Filipino love deep frying. So from here also, from a deep frying, we have a 3 varieties of sauces.
What's
So we
spicy?
have, they have a vinegar, they have a sweet and spices, and they have the sweet one.
Okay.
So those are very, very delicious.
I need spicy.
You love spices. Yes. So you just have to try this bowl. You will love this.
Alright, how much is this?
It's only 20 pesos. Ay,
What's the other stuff like?
so that is the Chinese stuff, which is a kikiam. Of course, it's a pork one.
Okay.
And
So,
then this one is a Filipino sausage that you have to try also.
is it
You know,
beef or pork?
it's a, ayan. It's a pork. Okay, so I keep quiet.
you try that one.
No, I tried that many times, so I don't. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's a, of course, it's a kwek kwek or some egg quail.
Alright.
You have to try. So the spices. Ito ba spice ko ya?
Give me some spice.
Matino pa. Nakakaintindi pa eh.
So slowly, it's very hot.
Kulang pa.
It's barbecue.
It's kind of, but it's not barbecue. It's a deep frying. It's hot.
Hot as fuck.
Yeah.
So it's like a spicy barbecue. You have any more like spice?
It's spice. This one,
Yeah, let me get
the
that.
vinegar. Well, depends on how spicy this one. Filipino love spices, but
Yeah, I like
let's see.
spicy too. All right, guys, your boy Beau Rakes, man, coming to you live from the in Makati, from Mari. We eating street food. I'm like the black Anthony Bourdain out here right now.
Yay!
That's good. That's
You
good.
say masarap.
Masarap?
Yeah, masarap means delicious.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can drink actually the sauce. That's right.
Mm.
Go ball.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it? Good, no?
The spice with the.
It's so good. It's so delicious.
That's good. That's good. The spice
Tapos may quick pa na.
with barbecue.
Yeah. So look at that. So look at that, guys. So here in the tusok-tusok, we have a sausage, Filipino sausage. We have a kikiam. We have a fish ball also from here, or the fish squid here. So those are made from China already. This one of the popular in the Philippines, it's called kwek kwek, or known as quail eggs here. So look how Kuya is over here. He has a big bucket that you can put back here to the deep frying. So sauces here, we have a vinegar,
My vinegar's good.
you have a sweet and spices, and the last one is the sweet here. You love Beau?
It was good. It was good. It was good.
Yeah, so now he just was paying.
How much? 150?
It's only 20 pesos.
How much?
20 pesos.
Oh, 20. Oh, 20. 20. I thought you said 150. No.
You have 20? You have a coins?
Hold on, 1 second. 1 second. Let me see. Coins. How much is that? No, that's
Only
a fucking
20.
quarter. Hold on.
I got it.
You
I have
you
here.
You got change? No, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I want to check. What you?
Ah, ito na kuya. Salamat. Okay na?
You ready?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank Thank you, Kuya. Let's go.
All right, so he paid for my tour tonight.
He just
He paid for my tour. Is that right? Yes.
yeah.
All right.
That's very funny. So they have sailing the replica here, guys.
Yeah, you got the best replica.
Yeah, the replica made from China. Hello, say hi, Kuya. Yeah.
Hello, bro. How you doing, bro? This is the dinner. There's no table. Come on.